Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokucharts.com daily analysis for gold for Monday, March the 8th, 2010. Well, a fairly large red body candle today, and that denotes the bears showing some strength in this market. It tells us that the bears have made some decent net bearish progress on the day between the open and the close. Also, the fact that they've closed the market between the midpoint level and the low tells us that the bears have closed in control, albeit a fairly moderate strength in this control, and they have shown some commitment, although they did lose some commitment towards the end of the trading day. Now, the market is trading within the cloud or the Kumo, and that's telling us that the market is neutral, so not necessarily a market that we should be trading rather vigorously at the moment. Obviously, if the market's trading up above the cloud, then we feel more confident in taking long trades. If the market's below the cloud, then we feel more confident in taking short trades. Now, just looking at the Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen, the market is trading up above both. So in the medium term and fast term timeframes, the market is actually still trending up and still bullish. So we have some conflicting signals here. Interestingly, both the Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen have turned flat, and they represent equilibrium in a short-term time frame and a medium-term time frame. And quite often, when those indicators turn flat, the price action tends to be attracted back towards them. And that's exactly what's happened here over the past 4 trading days. When the Tenkan Sen turned flat, the market price action was attracted back towards there, and we can see that the region around the low of the current candle found support at the Tenkan Sen and has bounced off there. So there is potential for the market to continue to find support there. Now, that also is very close to the bottom of the cloud, and there is potential for the market to find support or resistance anywhere within the cloud. Now, if the market does continue in this first time frame with a lower high and lower low, then there is potential support at the roughly about 1112 at the bottom of the cloud here. If the market does take that out, then there is strong potential for support at 1095, which is where the Kijun Sen is. So if there is a breakout to the downside below the cloud, those who would like to go short would like to see a fairly bearish close down below there and may consider taking short positions, although bearing in mind that the market may still be trading up above the Kijun Sen, so probably some mixed signals there, but there is a probability that the market may trade to that area and potential for it to trade outside. If we trade to the upside, there is a fair bit of resistance offered all the way through to the top of the cloud, and we can see on the previous 4 candles that there was selling coming in as the market attempted to trade higher, and that was evidenced by the shadows on the top of the candles. If the market does trade up to the top of the cloud around 1150 and potentially break out with a bullish breakout, then there is potential for the market to potentially appreciate up to around the $1,200 region, but that is probably jumping the gun a little bit. We don't want to preempt the market. We are in a neutral market overall with some conflicting signals about the short-term and long-term trends, and the short-term dynamics are fairly bearish at the moment.